There will be times when you want to share your notebook file with others. If you are sharing with other teachers in your school, then you can let them have your original notebook files. These are in the format .notebook and can be opened and edited with Notebook. If you are sharing with students and others who do not have Notebook software installed, then you need to explore the export options. These give you a wide variety of options for letting others have your work. Let's take a look at some of the export options available to us. The export options are found under the File menu. Click on File and then go to Export, and you can see them listed here. The first one we are going to explore is the option to export as PDF, that is portable document format. Let's click that and see what happens. As you can see, it's opened up an export PDF box, and here I can select various parameters of the document. I can, for instance, have thumbnails as here, or I can have it in handout mode, which means these can be printed and students can make notes, or I can choose to have each of my notebook files, each of my notebook pages on its own page in the PDF document. I can also do things like edit the header and the footer and change the date, and if I go to PDF setup, I can even put it into landscape mode. So let's go ahead and create the PDF. I click on save, and then I'm asked to give the file a name. I should just call this example, and also a location. I'm going to put this on the desktop. Notebook will then create your PDF file of your notebook pages. Here's the one I made, and if we double click it, it will open in SmartInk Document Viewer. And there you can see all the pages have been turned into PDF. PDFs are very useful for sharing with your students because you'll probably find that many of them have smartphones or tablets, and PDF software is readily and freely available, so they'll be able to view your files whatever device they are using. There are other options as well as a PDF export function. For instance, you can export your notebook file as a PowerPoint. This is useful if you're going to do a presentation, perhaps at a conference or a Teach Meet, and you're not sure that Notebook will be on the machine you'll be presenting from, but you're pretty sure that PowerPoint will be, so it will save your notebook files as PowerPoint slides. You can also save as web pages and image files. This might be useful if you're sharing your files on your virtual learning platform, although if you're not particularly expert on this, you may want to take some advice from the technical people. The final option is CFF, which stands for Common File Format. If you save in this file format, then your files will be able to be opened in other vendors' software for their whiteboards. For instance, if you want to share your notebook file with somebody using the Promethean software, then CFF will probably be a good way of sharing that file.